All right, and the series continues. Journey to rank #1 for zip code. So some super exciting stuff happening since the last video, which was only maybe a week ago. We have landed on page 1 or top of page 2 for Las Vegas zip code as an average. Now, again, based on device and location and all that, it's going to be different. But what I did see immediately was a spike in traffic, and I took the #1 spot for web traffic in Las Vegas. So I'm now jockeying between that with that #1 position with 2 others. She has it one day, he has it one day, I have it one day. But now that I'm in the running again for zip codes, I'm also taking that top spot. So traffic immediately increased and got some cool stuff coming here. So let me just show you. Let me go back to the dashboard so you can see again what the benefit is. So here, this is the website we're working on today. We went up 18.07% organic traffic. Pretty huge, pretty huge. So now we have the same problem we did have. We're still having this problem with this cannibalization happening of the child pages. So what we know, guys, is that it's working. As we are removing, we're doing redirects from the child pages and passing that link flow to the parent page. It's working. We now have our head term in the running. The problem is the keyword is still bouncing around between child pages. So let me show you what I mean. Let's go to view full report. All right. Now, if we were to look at Las Vegas zip code, it's the wrong page ranking. So let me click that. And so what happened is it bounced again to another child page. It's crazy. I know it's because these child pages are less competitive. It's obvious. That's why. I don't think it has anything to do with quality of the parent page. I think it's just as soon as it bounces to one of these smaller pages, they get a better response because people are Googling like Northwest Las Vegas zip code and finding this page, and they're interacting and they're engaging immediately. And so that's why. So what we want to see is once we do redirects on all of these child pages, where does it go after that? We're hoping it eventually lands in that top one. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to open the goal page again. All right. Now we're going to make sure that we already have Northwest zip codes on this page so that we're not deleting content. We want to make sure we have no links going to that Northwest page. We do not, so we're okay to do a redirect. So all we're going to do is take this page here, and we are going to, actually, I don't want this X. Yeah, hold on. I just got to, that's interesting. I can actually do the redirect from the Northwest Las Vegas, and I could shoot them down to the exact spot on the page that has Northwest, but actually I'm not going to do that either because what we're trying to do is redirect the parent, the main keyword, the head term Las Vegas zip code. So let me just take that. And I am going to take Northwest Las Vegas. Let's do edit showcase. We are getting there one redirect at a time, aren't we? We're going to scroll all the way down. And we are going to get to our redirect. Make redirect active. Okay, click the button. Then we're going to view the page, and we're going to make sure this now goes to that parent page. Remember that what the redirect does is it leaves the page intact. The page is still on our website in case we ever want to go back to it. We're not deleting anything. We're simply adding one string that creates a redirect that says, hey, Google, if anybody finds this link going over here to the Northwest Las Vegas zip code page, I want it to redirect and go to the parent Greater Las Vegas zip code page. But it doesn't delete the first one. It just takes them around it. So that way we've got some room to make changes later should we decide to do so. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. Now, what's fascinating to me is that we are seeing some increase in other terms DMV. I was looking at this the other day and seeing some other ones that are rising up, and I think it may be related to that parent page climbing, and some of the other pages are now benefiting. So we're going to continue to watch that as this climbs. But that was our focus for today. I'm going to go back and work on our other series in a minute. So thank you for joining me with Journey to Rank #1 for Las Vegas zip codes on Google. It is working. Let's continue with the process. I'm Lori Ballen.